show you the 5 steps of creating or implementing data binding into your Android application. So first thing we're going to do is to wrap our activity or fragment layout with the layout element. So as you can see right here, I already have my layout for this activity right here, and I'm going to take this and wrap it with the layout. Close and then paste. And second step is to declare the variables, and we have our name right here, which is just an identifier, and we have the type with the package name. So let's create. And I'm gonna create our model class. And make sure to set your variable with the var or val keyword. And I'm gonna get the package name. Alright, and the third step is to apply the variable inside our text view. So it may depend on their case. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna add it in. And I'm gonna use this expression right here. So this is the syntax for the assignment. And if you're declaring a default value, you need to use a single quotation mark right here, just like the one right here. And we can access the name of the model. And I already have the ID, and assign it if you don't have the ID for your views. Okay, so data binding is gonna generate it for us. So I'm just gonna call data binding util and set the content view. And as you can see right here, it's asking for the type, so I'm just gonna ignore that for now and pass in the context and the layout. There we go. So I'm gonna create a global variable, and we're going to need to pass in the type that data binding has generated for us. So my name is activity.data, and I'm going to use that name with the binding prefix. And then passed in with the data binding variable. Alright, so that is step 4, and now step 5, we can access all of our widgets with this. Alright, so if we want to access our text view, we can say data binding util data text view, which is the ID, and then we can set the text right here. But I don't really need to do that, so all I need to do is assign our variable. So I'm gonna listen for some on-click events. I'm gonna get the button and listen for on-click, and I'm gonna need to assign this model right here because right now it is null. So I'm gonna say data binding model, and I already generated a dummy class, dummy model. So I'm just gonna uncomment this and pass in the random model. Okay, so now I'm gonna install the app. Alright, now the app has loaded. Let's go into the data binding, which is the first item, and let's try clicking the button.